Hello everyone, welcome to Brain Blitz Audios. Today we'll be looking at the chapter Patterns and we'll be looking at completing shape patterns. So let's begin with the story. Binny and Ginny were going home. On the way, they saw some people making the pavement. The tiles used were of different colors and designs. This is what they saw. In this design, the people making the pavement used colors and different designs to make a pattern. Then, on reaching home, they saw their mother's saree hanging on a rope. It also had a nice design with different colors. As you saw in these, we can see many such patterns around us. We can see in tiles, in our clothes, etc. Now, Bolu the rat has eaten a part of the shawl of Binny's mother. Look at the picture and help Binny in matching which piece is of the same pattern. As you can see, this is the cloth which is a part of the shawl of Binny's mother. We have to find out which piece completes this. So, to check that, let's try each piece. This is the first piece. If we put it together, we can see it does not look like a pattern. It doesn't repeat the same way as other patterns. So this is not the missing piece. And if we try the second one, we can also see it doesn't complete the pattern, since in the original pattern they are shaped like a diamond. All the 4 diamonds are together shaped as one big diamond, but in this they are shaped like a T. And if we use the third cloth, it also doesn't complete the pattern. It forms 6 diamonds, which is not part of the pattern. So Binny's mother must use this piece to stitch with the cloth. As you can see, this piece completes the cloth. The diamonds are arranged in the form of a bigger diamond. Next, fill up the blank boxes to complete the pattern. So, we have to find out a pattern so that we can fill out the white spaces. First, let's look at purple. First, purple appears in the first tile, then on the third tile, then on the 5th tile, and on the 7th tile. So that means first it will be purple, then another color, then purple, then another color. So, and it also appears in vertically. It's the first one, it has purple, not the second one. Third one, it has purple, not the fourth one. 5th one, it has purple. Now, let's fill the third row. In the third one, this is the first position. Second position is not purple. This is the third position. That means 4th position also must not be purple. Then purple must be in the 5th position. Then 6th one will also not have purple. And 7th one will also have purple. Now let's look at the last row. This is the first one. And the second one doesn't have purple, so we doesn't fill it there. Third one must have purple. So we fill purple in the third row. This is the 4th one, and it doesn't have purple according to the pattern. and the fifth one has purple. The sixth one must not have a purple, so it is not filled here. And the seventh one must have a purple according to the pattern. As you can see, the purple boxes all form a pattern. Now, let's look at the yellow boxes. Now, the yellow boxes appear in the second. It doesn't appear in the first one, it appears in the second one, doesn't appear in the third one, appears in the fourth one, doesn't appear in the fifth one, appears in the sixth one. And this also comes in the first one, but not in the second one, third one, but not in the fourth one, and in the fifth row. So if we look at the second one, in the first place is purple, second place is already filled with yellow, third place is purple. That means fourth one must be yellow. And fifth place is purple, and sixth place must be yellow. You can see a pattern is there. Now let's fill the fifth row. In that one, first one doesn't have yellow, and so that means second one must have yellow. Third one doesn't have yellow, fourth one will have yellow. Fifth one doesn't have yellow, sixth one will have yellow. You can also see a pattern that is formed by the yellow boxes. Now let's look at green. Now in the first one, the second row, it appears on the top right corner, and in the second one it appears on the top left, third one top right, fourth one top left, fifth one top right, sixth one top left, seventh one top right. So it means first it will be in the top right, then in the top left, top right, top left, top right, top left. And in the fourth row, we can see it's in the top right in the first one, top left in the second one. So in the third one, it must be in the top right as a triangle. So that means in the fourth one, it must be in the top left. In the fifth one, it's in the top right. And in the sixth one, it will be in the top left. And lastly, in the seventh one, it will be in the top right. Now you can see that it forms a pattern. Now let's look at orange. Now in orange, the first box, it appears in the bottom left, then it appears on the bottom right, then in the bottom left, then in the bottom right, bottom left, bottom right, bottom left, bottom right. And in the fourth row also, we can see in the first one, it's in the bottom left, second one in the bottom right, third one in the bottom left. So that means in the fourth one, it will be in the bottom right. In the fifth one, it will be in the bottom left. In the sixth one, it will be in the bottom right. And the seventh one, it will be in the bottom left. Now we can see the total figure forms a pattern. That means we have completed the pattern. Next, look at the patterns and fill up the boxes. So the blanks, we have to fill up the blank squares according to the shapes given. So first, we have a red circle in the first box, a yellow square in the second box, a red circle again in the third box, and a yellow square in the fourth box. So what was appear in the fifth box? It must be a red circle, because first it's a circle, then a square. Circle, square. That means fifth one, it would also be a circle, a red circle. Then what will be in the sixth one? In the sixth one, it would be a square. And the seventh one, it will be a circle. And in the eighth one, it will be a square. So it is circle, square. The pattern is circle, square, circle, square, circle, square. Now let's look at the second one. In the second one, we have first a top arrow, second a top arrow, third a top arrow, fourth a top arrow. Now what will be the fifth one? In the fifth one, it would also be a top arrow, because in every single box we are continuing the same shape, the arrow pointing to the top. So the pattern is top arrow, top arrow, top arrow, top arrow. So that means in every box there must be an arrow pointing to the top. That's all, folks. We hope you found it interesting. For more useful videos, please subscribe to our channel Brain Blitz Audios. Until the next episode, take care, stay safe, ta-ta for now.